Hello, I'm Aratrika Bhaumik and welcome to the Hindu's extensive coverage of polling day trends. The world's largest democratic exercise concluded today with the end of the seven-phased Lok Sabha elections. This massive electoral process, which saw the participation of millions of voters, will culminate with the announcement of results on June 4th, a verdict that will change the political landscape of the nation's 543 constituencies. Polling commenced at 7 a.m. today for 57 parliamentary constituencies spanning 8 states and union territories. This included the 4,000-year-old Varanasi Lok Sabha constituency in Uttar Pradesh, from where Prime Minister Narendra Modi is seeking a third consecutive term. Polling for 42 assembly constituencies in Orissa also took place simultaneously today. As per data released by the Election Commission of India, the approximate voter turnout stood at 58.34% as of 5 p.m., with West Bengal recording the highest once again at 69.89% and Bihar recording the lowest at 48.86%. Hours before the exit poll predictions were set to be released today, the leaders of the opposition-led India bloc huddled in New Delhi at Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge's residence. This crucial meeting was attended by top opposition leaders including Congress leaders Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, former Bihar Deputy Chief Minister Tejasvi Yadav, Punjab Chief Minister Bhagwant Mann, AAP MP Sanjay Singh and Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav. However, West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee gave it a miss, citing the Lok Sabha polls and Cyclone Remal, and so did Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin. In a notable development, the Congress today announced that India bloc parties would indeed participate in exit poll television debates just a day after declaring a boycott, saying that they did not want to participate in slugfest and speculation for the sake of TRPs. Although polling was largely peaceful today, sporadic incidents of violence were once again reported in West Bengal. At Kutali, Bengal's South 24 Parganas, an angry mob looted election material from a polling booth and even dumped an EVM into a pond. Bengal's chief electoral officer posted a message on X saying that an FIR has been lodged and that necessary action was being taken. Sandesh Khali, which was the epicenter of huge protests against a group of local Trinamool Congress leaders, also saw clashes today between TMC and BJP supporters. A Delhi court today also reserved its order on Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's plea seeking interim bail on medical grounds in the money laundering case registered against him in relation to the Delhi excise policy case. Judge Kaveri Baweja of the Rouse Avenue Court today said that the order would be pronounced on June 5th. Mr. Kejriwal is set to return back to Tihar jail tomorrow as the interim bail granted by the Supreme Court to campaign for the Lok Sabha elections ends today. Some of the key contenders who were in the fray today included Prime Minister Narendra Modi, former Union Minister and BJP stalwart Ravi Shankar Prasad, actor and BJP's Mandi pick Kangana Ranaut, Congress leader Manish Tiwari, former Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Chani, Jail Sikh leader Amritpal Singh and TMC leader Abhishek Banerjee. As the curtains close on polling, all eyes are set on the exit poll results that will keep parties either hoping or in despair. As per the exit poll results announced by NDTV, Prime Minister Narendra Modi's BJP-led NDA alliance is projected to win a majority of more than 350 seats in the Lok Sabha. Thank you for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe to The Hindu.